Hello ladies, today I have a performance swimsuit review for y'all. This is the Speedo Power Plus Kneeskin. So it's a one-piece swimsuit that goes to just about your knees. This is the type of swimsuit that competitive swimmers swim in, so you'll see in the Olympics all women swimmers will be wearing this. For me, I'm no longer a competitive swimmer, so I'm not out competing against other swimmers. However, I do swim daily and I do lap swimming. And so I decided to pick this up over Black Friday last year, 2020, when it was at an amazing price of $45. And normally it costs upwards of $100. So it was quite a steal to get this. Every now and then, Amazon has discounts on these things, so go ahead and check out the link in the description to see if you can get a pretty good deal on this. So anyways, with the unboxing, it's nothing too crazy. I just want to give you the experience of what it looks like brand new, because this is what the colors look like when you first get it, which is pretty true to the product listing. The particular one I chose here is black and sapphire blue. But after 7 months of daily swimming in this swimsuit, you can see that the blue has definitely faded into more of a sky blue color. Not a huge deal. The important thing is that it's still, the material is still nice and thick. Straps are still nice and taut. They do run true to size, so get the size that you normally would get. I did like the strap design in particular. It's different from what I've usually had. It's almost like an elastic, but it doesn't hurt or create stretch marks or anything like that. What this means is that there's virtually no break-in time for at least the strap part of the swimsuit, so my arms were able to do their strokes very freely without any hindrances. I also like that the cutout for the back is adequately large so that you don't have too much fabric in the back curved area. At the same time, it ends just above the waist so that you won't have any water logging from that area. Moving downwards, you can see the Speedo logo right there front and center on the chest. Still completely intact, and you can see along the sides in a very specific curvy design is the blue accents to match the straps, which gives you that more slim and hourglass kind of look. And then moving downwards, as mentioned in the name, Kneeskin, is because it goes right above the knee and it's pretty taut there. There's no water logging upwards from the pant leg, which is definitely a good thing. You don't want that happening. So it's nice and taut, but I did notice that there's quite an additional extra material in kind of the crotch area, which I was not used to, obviously coming from a more traditional swimsuit that didn't have the pant leg design. So it's something that I had to get used to. I did find that there was a little bit of water logging in that area, but it got better after swimming in it more, so maybe it's just more of a break-in period for the swimsuit. I do want to talk a little bit more about sizing, even though I did mention that it does fit true to size, so do get the one that you normally would purchase. I do have to say though, for those of us who are kind of in between sizes, especially between our shirts versus our pants, because this is basically a one-piece jumpsuit where it's one size is supposed to fit most, but it doesn't really take into account for people like me who have broader shoulders, so I'm actually a size larger on my upper rather than my lower. So I did find that even though it fits my upper body pretty well, I still do have a little bit of extra material in the lower body part, and that's kind of unavoidable, unfortunately. Though I would think that Speedo would try to take that into account, especially with swimmers who tend to have broader shoulders just due to the nature of the sport. And for people who are more busty or more curvy, I still think this is a pretty good fit, especially accounting for the straps, because the straps are just so flexible. So I think if you had a more busty figure, this one would still fit you pretty well. So ultimately, who do I think the swimsuit is geared towards? It's definitely not geared towards super competitive swimmers. I think those people already know their class of swimsuits that they are buying. It's definitely probably more than $50, $100. I think this is just a baseline Kneeskin that Speedo is offering for, recreational lap swimmers like myself, but are not too worried about our time anymore for our lap swimmings that may be caused by the extra fabric from a non-perfect fit. So if that sounds like you, check out the link in the description.